Okay, since I last videoed, I've replaced center section of this rear striker post of the passenger side door. I didn't replace the whole thing. I had good metal at the top and good metal at the bottom. I didn't want to have to take the rocker panel off, take the quarter panel off, upper and lower. Would have been a nightmare. This is all good metal up here. That's just brown original primer that I'm down to, but it's good clean metal. And I made a cut right in here, and then right down in here I ordered in a new panel. That's the original, what it looks like, so I used that as a pattern to cut what I needed out of the replacement. Saved me a lot of time. You can see this thing was it's pretty eaten up with rust, and it was going to be a lot of effort to not have a very good product. This thing came in real thick metal. Came with a new striker. It's a nice part. It's not exactly like the original. If you're restoring a Bronco and you want to show it in concourse, it's for whatever reason these two holes, which are offset inward on the replacement, they're offset outward, and then these pressed in contours are a little bit different. You can see it's a lot smaller here. The only harm it's going to do is not really harm, but instead of the striker going on this way, it's going to go on that way, which I guess if you were going to show the thing, a judge might pick up on it, but I'm not going to show this truck. I'm just trying to get it where it'll last me another 30 years. So today I got a, you can see a welded in, plug welded, rosette welded to that new piece I just put in. I didn't do the bottom too because I'm going to cut that, make that rust back over here. It's got to go away. So I'm going to wind up replacing that just like I did over on the other side. I haven't ground that weld down yet. Ooh. But you can see where I have refabricated that, the exact same area. Must be a common rust spot, not sure why, because it's on the inside, but it was that way on both sides of mine. And then around here in the back I've got one more spot I got to deal with. You see I welded in a patch over those holes. I've got to open this up a little bit to good metal and weld in a patch there. So that's today's plan.